we're going to continue solving systems of equations using substitution, but we're focusing on word problems. Now, when we're looking at this one, it says Maddie goes shopping for hoop earrings. There are little hoop earrings and there are big hoop earrings. So we're going to define those as X and Y. So X is number of little hoop earrings. And you could pick any letter that you want. I'm just picking X and Y, but sometimes people might pick L for little and B for big. Any type of letter you want. Y would be number of big hoop earrings. Now what we're going to do is write the equations, and this is a little bit more difficult than just defining them and even solving them. It says she buys 3 times, so we know we're going to be multiplying it by 3, as many little hoop earrings as big hoop earrings. So that means however many little ones that she buys, it's always going to be 3 times the number of big hoop earrings. That means whatever the big hoop is, we times it by 3, and that's always going to be our little hoop. Now for the second one, if she bought a total of 16 hoop earrings, meaning X plus Y equals 16. We're going to solve this using substitution. We're going to take the 3y and we're going to plug it in for the x. So we have 3y plus y equals 16, meaning 3y plus y is 4y equals 16. And when we divide it by 4, y is equal to 4. That means that we have 4 big hoop earrings. Now, if we're trying to figure out how many little hoop earrings, remember, we times it by 3. 3 times 4 is 12. What we have is 12 little hoop earrings. Now, just to make sure we did this correctly, remember our second equation, we have a total of 16. 12 plus 4 is 16, so we know we did it correctly. Now, if we look at our next equation, or I should say our next word problem, it says Evan finds a jar of nickels and dimes. So those are our variables. I'm going to call X is number of nickels and Y equals number of dimes. It says he has 8 more dimes. So whatever the dimes are, he has 8 more dimes than nickels. So if we have X as nickels, whatever the number of nickels, he has 8 more dimes, so we're going to be adding 8 to it. Then it says if there was a total of $2.30. So that means that X plus Y equals 230. There's a problem because X is dimes. Sorry, X is nickels. So we're going to have 5 cents per nickel. Y is dimes. So we have 10 cents for dimes. What we're going to do is we're going to take this expression right here and we're going to plug it in for the y. So what we have is we have 0.05x plus 0.10. Now instead of y, what we have is x plus 8 and then that's equal to $2.30. Next thing that we're going to do is we're going to times it by 0.1. So that gives us 0.05x plus 0.10x plus 0.80. And that's equal to $2.30. I add the like terms. And as many of you are thinking, our next step is subtracting the 0.8. And that gives us 0.15x is equal to $1.50. I'm going to divide it by 0.15. And if you remember from a while ago, whenever we divide, we're moving the decimal over twice. So we move the decimal over twice. 150 divided by 15, x is 10. So that means we have 10 nickels. Now, if we take the 10 and we add 8 to it, that gives us 18. So there are 18 dimes. Now, just to make sure that we're doing this correctly, 10 times 5 or 5 cents per nickel times 10 gives us 50 cents. And 18 dimes gives us $1.80. That adds up to $2.30. So we know we did it correctly. And that right there would be our answer.